going to divide this PQ straight line to equal parts. That's the first step. This is the first step. This is the PQ straight line. Now we are going to divide this into equal parts. First step is start from P, draw any straight line. From P, draw any straight line like this. From P, we'll name it as X. This is a straight line. Then take the compass and put the compass point on P and mark this PX straight line into equal parts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll name this as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Then from E, we can draw a line from E to Q. This is the point Q. From E to Q, we are going to draw a line, EQ. EQ line. EQ straight line. Put the ruler. EQ straight line. Then you already know, take the set square here. We can draw parallel line to EQ. This is the set square. Keep it on the ruler like this. Then move the set square forward. Then you can draw another line here. Like this, you can draw parallel line to EQ. Keep the set square on the ruler like this. Then move it forward. Then when it meets B, D, you can draw a line here. Move the set square forward. When it meets C, draw another parallel line here. Move forward. When it meets B, draw another line. Move forward the set square. When it meets A, you can draw another line. We'll name this as F, G, H, I. Now, these are parallel lines. All are parallel lines. Now, PF. PF equal to FG. FG equals to GH. GH equals to HI equals to IQ. PF equals to FG equals to GH equals to HI equals to IQ. This is the way we divide into equal parts. This is the given straight line PQ. We divided this PQ line into equal parts as PF, FG, GH, HI, IQ.